This video will show you how to replace the WebSphere application server's self-signed SSL certificate with a CA certificate from a certificate authority like VeriSign. From the WebSphere administration console, select Security, SSL, and then Key Stores and Certificates. Select the node default key store. This is where the node's certificate is stored. Select the signer certificates. The signers to the root and intermediate certificates need to be added here before doing the receive, so a complete chain will be created during the receive. For this example, the signer to the root is stored on the cacert.org website. This is where the cacert.org keeps the signer to their root certificate. This PEM format is the ASCII format of a signer. It will have the begin certificate and the end certificate visible in the file. Right-click and Save Link As. Save to a file on your system. Go back to the WebSphere Application Server console. Push the Add button. Type cacert. Type c:\temp\root.crt. Now create the CSR in the personal certificate requests. Type c:\temp\my_csr. Type my cacert. For this demonstration, I will use cacerts.com here, but you will need to use your own host name. Select and copy the contents of the CSR to your clipboard. Previously, I set the linkage to my host, cacerts.com, under the domains link on the right. If you want to use this CA, you would need to set up your own domain. But now there are no server certificates in cacert's administrative page, so we will need to add one. Paste your CSR ASCII text here. Read and accept the CACert Community Agreement. Select the text of your server certificate and copy it into your clipboard. Paste the text of your server certificate into your new file and save it on your system. Save it as my.crt. Go back to the WebSphere Application Server Administrative Console. Now go back to the node default key store. Go into the personal certificates. Push the Receive from a Certificate Authority button. Type c:\temp\my.crt. Now replace the current certificate with a new one. No need to keep the old certificate, and no need to keep the signers to the old certificate. Now you can see you have your own chained CA certificate in place of the old WebSphere Application Server default self-signed chained certificate.